front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and selecting while using and allow in all pop-ups if you never used it before. Then, before starting recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select Settings and adjust all of those however you want to, like file format. When you're ready, go back and to start recording, tap on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Then take a pic. To discard it, select X, and to add it, check mark on the right. If you wish to end your recording and save it, hit Save at the top right corner. To delete it though, click on Cancel at the top left one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. I will go with Save though. Now name it, hit Save, and to listen to it, click on it. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to manage it, you can use all of those options below, like those sliders and scissors. If you want to rename your recording, hold it, click Rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to, then select Save. To delete it though, hold it again, but this time choose Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!